Okay, good evening to DigiTechnical Inc. Team 1. Howdy, Adam, Rolla, Michael, Margaret, and Tanya. Okay, team, you got your grade on the paper. You did very well. I'm delighted to see it. A quick review of what I'm reading here to make your lives easier on doing the next paper, which I'm confident you will do very well on. As I mentioned in the very beginning, if you're going to use abbreviations instead of like DigiTechnical, DT, that's fine. However, always start with DigiTechnical Inc., hereafter DT. Okay? If you've ever signed any kind of agreement or downloaded software, click yes. They always use something like this. I like the various points. Okay, my research assistant, Jaja. All right. I like your use of bullet points, knowledge, relationship selling, expanded market combination skills. These are all very nicely done. I liked your review of alternative strategies and why it didn't really work for you. This was very good. I liked your mode of entry, etc. However, you had a couple of data points like growth rate of 12% in 2018, 3-year plus. You didn't cite your sources there, so please be sure you do this in your final paper. I don't want to dock points needlessly. I was concerned in general that your take on the Chinese market was kind of negative from the sense of bribery, corruption, all that kind of deal. Well, welcome to China. What can I tell you? Or welcome to any kind of other part of the world. If you don't want to play, don't play. This is not really criticism of your paper. I'm just telling you, as a man who's been in business and international business and teaches it, that you got to be realistic, guys. Okay, let's keep going. All right, I like to review various cultural aspects, though. Again, I don't. You said that many Western businesses see the Chinese National Council as constraint on management practices. For your final paper, go ahead and see if you can find a counter-argument to that. There are, I could think off the top of my head, for example, Jaya Rahman. He's the dude, I think he is. India, China, and American is, yeah, okay, I'm pretty sure I know this guy. All right, okay, here's a tip for you, guy. Okay, it says doing business in China, risk analysis, India, China, and America Institute. Okay, there is a great conflict between Indians and Chinese. Maybe you can find a Chinese source, just a tip. Okay, and the other point I make too is, okay, physical environmental risk. All right, well, if you do want to say that you're going to say you're not going to, sorry, she's a great little kitty. If you are saying that you don't want to go polluting, etc., well, that's fine. You could actually tie this into your earlier part of you want to keep your technology cutting edge to fight the potential inflation. That would be a great way to tie this information together. So, all right, guys, some general observations, some general tips on the final paper, but otherwise, seriously, great work. I'm delighted to see this. Okay, guys, email me if you got any questions.